All right, you guys, we're back. We just popped on the glitter. As you can see, in the top flood coat. So the top itself was good as it was. A lot of people would have just called that good right then. We wanted a clear flood coat over the top for a couple of reasons. That's when we added all the glitter that you can see. And also, it makes everything in person look more 3D. So it really brings in the depth and the deception. Looks so deep down inside there. And there's that edge. That's why I told you how important that edge is, to slick that over. See, you can see on the side here where it's vertical. See how it looks very wavy and distorted. Then you get out there and see that's just a night and day difference. Night and day. So that's it, you guys. I want to thank everybody for tuning in. If you want to see how this was done, we got it right on our page. Parts 1 through 6. You can do this for yourself, right in your own home. They're going to love it. It's going in that bathroom we've been working hard on. Till the next one, you all.